Hey guys, Laura Love here. I teach mindset and meditation, and I'm on this crazy fitness journey where I'm working out twice a day for 75 days, no days off, no breaks like that. And Love Labs has really been an essential part of my daily routine for many of the versions that they have in their brand. And this one that I'm about to unbox is by far my absolute favorite. Ta-da! It's called Zen. It has chamomile, passionflower, valerian root, and something else. So this one, I love it. So I also have anxiety. I do take anxiety medication, and this is just a little extra. Like, this is my baby. I love this one. I love this one. It's Zen, so cute. It's purple, my favorite color. And it has like a lavender flavor to it. When I was younger, I used to take lavender pills for anti-anxiety. So this is just very reminiscent of that. And it's so incredible. It just immediately, I already just after one inhale, immediately feel relaxed, centered, calm. And that's what meditation's about. That's what getting your best self in any aspect of your life is really about, no matter what's going on outside of you. This will be your best friend. Absolutely will be your best friend. Highly recommend it.